I've gone on some pretty spontaneous trips in my life. I went overseas for 3 months with about a week notice. I've left in a hurry in like an hour, booked flights 3 hours in advance, 6 hours, went to Mexico to surprise my family. But, wow, I'm out of breath. 6.5 minutes so far from determining to leave to packing. The car is half ready, bringing the whiteboard. I'm out of here in 7 minutes total. My car is also freshly cleaned, waxed, and detailed. So, it's gonna get dirty. All right, now, I wanna answer this question at the beginning of the video. Why do I keep going out to Arizona? Well, let me explain a little bit about what's in Arizona that's not in California, why I'm going, and why I'm going this time. So right now, the reason I'm leaving in a rush, it's not really that surprising to me, to be honest. I was not focused in Newport. So I was actually looking to get in like a hotel or Airbnb in Los Angeles, Hollywood, or excuse me, Los Angeles or San Diego, maybe drive out into the desert a little bit. So I was gonna do something either way just to switch up my environment for 2 days. So it makes sense, a little bit far of a drive, like 5.5 hours to get to Arizona, but I have a free place to stay while I'm there, which is cool. At least usually I book my own place. But I have plenty of friends out there, which is great. But there's also, aside from personal reasons, there's someone out there I want to do business with. And so me going out here is not for the purpose of, hey, let's talk about the details and start this company. It's building this relationship further. And this is a person who will help me out a lot in a lot of areas of life with multiple of my companies. So yeah, and there's plenty of amazing people as well in California, but I don't necessarily need to be here right now. So I do have employees in office. I don't talk about that stuff here. I don't ever really talk about that, but there is people here in California, so that's the only real reason I have to be here. However, we have a good sized round of new employees starting this next week, so I might have to be here for that. But I'm just trying to figure out if I actually need to, you know, like my business partner can handle most of it for that company. So hopefully that should be enough. But other than that, yeah, we got about 5 hours of driving ahead of us. It says I'm gonna get there about 4:30 a.m. So realistically, I'll probably just stop somewhere and get a hotel in the middle. But other than that, the only other commenting notes I have is it's not an Arizona vlog unless the police are involved. So let's see when that happens. Let's take a guess. Did I or did I not call it? Wouldn't be an Arizona vlog.
Hey, I'm off to type PD. You know why I stopped you?
No clue.
No clue, huh? Alrighty.
No, sir.
Well, I got you on radar at miles an hour back there when you passed me. So you're just going a little fast, man. You're in Arizona now. Alright, Hayden, this is what's gonna happen, man. I'm gonna run your license real quick. Alright? What I'm not gonna do is if I cited you for 1 miles an hour, it would be criminal. So what I'm gonna do is you're gonna get a citation for going over the posted speed limit, which keeps it civil.
Let me share a secret with you. Without these guys, it wouldn't be fun. I love it. Perfect, brother. Drive safe. Uh-oh.
What up?
5 hours later.
Hayden made it. Dude, he said, he called me, he says, yo, I'll be there in 5 hours. I'm like, yeah, sure. Next thing you know, oh, I'm at the gate.
Bam, and now we're here. And I got a speeding ticket. There's no way I'm letting that go on my record. I gotta go to court for that, so it's whatever. We don't get tickets. I've actually never gotten a ticket in a nice car, so that's a first. I got one, but I took it to court, and now I no longer have it. Alrighty, and we are at the house. I'll show you guys everything here in a second. Got some of the setup here, big whiteboards, desk and whatnot. Boom, boom, boom. Got everything going on. Just gonna be getting some work done in here. We gotta make a thumbnail. The YouTube clickbait king's
About to help him.
He's gonna show me what's up. But
please don't dislike the video.
But yeah, this is one of the main space here. It's just kind of all work stuff. So yeah, that's how it's done. I can't hear you. What? All right, Cody's going to a lunch meeting. I'm headed over to my buddy's house. Good luck. The cars look good together. It's a nice day. All right, we've just been working for like the past 5 hours or so. Whoa, nice and loud. Nice little cold start, but I've got to go get gas, and then I'm headed over to my buddy's house, who he doesn't know I'm in town. So I look so ghostly white in this. Anyways, gotta figure out all these chords. My aux, I had zero music on the entire drive here. No podcast, nothing. So I just took it to think about a lot of things, but damn, it was boring. So I hope this works right now. I don't know what was wrong with it. But yeah, gonna head out. I need to get some food too because I haven't eaten all day. Other than that, yeah, should be a lot of fun. She's gonna continue getting some stuff done. Where are you going to get food?
I'm so mad at myself. I'm at Protein House.
All right, Kieran was slightly suspicious if I was here or not, but I did a good job avoiding it. Now I'm going to meet him for lunch. He was like, he did not know. Kieran, you did not know I was here. Now we're gonna surprise Jeff. You guys know JR Garage at all. Jeff, good buddy of mine. He just like shipped all his cars out here. So we're gonna go to his house, surprise him as well. But I guess I'm going to meet them for some food. So I guess that's one surprise down. Should be, it's fun, I don't know. All right, Kieran, time to pretend like we have money.
Pretend like we what?
Have money.
I don't have money.
Boom, let's buy some cars. Apparently this guy follows me on Instagram. Hey, Jeff is in the ringer, going once on the auto block. We've got one here up at Barrett Jackson Auction, going once, going twice. We got Audi S5. Hi, Jeff.
Hey.
Hefe. All right, bye-bye. Rack City on a 430i. Alright, we have put the car in the garage. That way, they don't know I'm here. We're gonna surprise another friend.
Friend?
Yeah.
Just a friend?
Friend. Why? Do you not like her?
Does the YouTube channel know about her?
Does the YouTube... Wait, why are you being gender specific?
Her? The girl that...
The person, the friend. Breakfast is served up. Cody's got a new YouTube channel going viral. Brand new channel. If you guys know anything about YouTube, yeah, there you go. There it is. All right, it is Cyber Monday, so I'm hyped, right? Making a lot of money, having a lot of fun. Did a lot of work to catch up to it and running on little sleep, actually very little sleep the last 2 days. But we're back in the car. I'm headed over to the Empire House right now. Cody's gonna be coming in a second. Oh, there he is. Yeah, let's see what he thinks about this.
Bro, start it up.
You want to hear it?
Yeah.
A cold start on the Mustang. 2017, 5.0, straight pipe. Okay, start it up. I want to hear it.
Hey, rev back.
Oh my God. Are you defacing my property?
No.
When
did this happen?
On camera. When did what happen? What is that?
Well, that's why. You can't be doing that, bro.
Why?
There's an X scratch in your paint.
Bummer. Do you have car connections? Fix it.
You'd have to say like some touch-up paint.
You got a fountain. Is that real water or fake water?
We have a second fountain in the front.
And they both have real or fake water?
Fake water.
Okay. Go, 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 go. I hate wasting time. Me and Cody right here are headed out. We're going to get Korean barbecue right now. Finished up a great work session. Got to bring the portable charger that's now dead. You didn't hustle hard enough if the portable charger is not dead. And my laptop, which I just put in here. Had to keep on the charger. Where's Kieran? We got to move our car. Kieran has got himself a little date. That's cute. We're going to Korean barbecue. I'll let Kieran tell you guys about some numbers we're hitting on Cyber Monday with some of these e-com stores. He has one for a client as well. So let me go grab him and get him to share some numbers.
Drop top.
How's your Cyber Monday going, buddy?
It's going really good.
We're gonna update the vlog real quick.
Well, I need to leave.
Okay, 30 seconds. What were you doing today? High ticket products, low ticket products, Facebook ads?
Yes.
If you want to share any numbers.
I have like 4 big clients that go big on Cyber Monday. So I don't have my own e-com stores, but I do all the e-commerce ad management for my clients. So 4 of them are doing pretty well today on Cyber Monday. We're doing some campaigns. One of them did about 20 grand today. The other one did also like 20 grand today. And then my a third client it's not e-commerce, but it's still Facebook ad lead generation. They're at like just over 6 figures, just like $110,000 in revenue. So
Bam. Yeah, we've been having a competition, just Command R, refresh, refresh, refresh. Who's making more money?
I didn't know what Command R did until he showed me.
I can't believe that. But what, did you click the little, do you actually move the mouse?
Yeah.
Wow,
Okay,
that's so
I have
effort.
To leave. I have a date.
Oh, that's
So,
cute. Who's the lucky guy?
Can I get out?
Who's?
Yeah. It's Hayden Bowles.
Are you, wait, what's the problem? Is my car blocking?
Leave and you're in my driveway.
You don't understand how good this lighting is right here. This is fire.
Oh, you almost.
Just go over it, bro. I'll move, relax. Have fun. Everyone's at the house. What's going on, buddy? Oh.
I'm at the house.
Hello.
Kansas City, middle of nowhere.
Kansas City, back from Thanksgiving. Kirkland on the couch as well. What's going on? We got a...
Calling me that, bro.
Huh?
People are gonna start calling me that.
What?
saying
That's your name, Kirkland. Starting to fill this up. If you guys know guitars, wow. Take a look. I'll even play you a little something. Ready for this? I used to play piano. I don't remember much, but here's one. I'm not very good, but it's all right. We try. Now we get these crazy, crazy cookies. What are those? You want me to move your car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Give me a key. Gucci key. Quick update for you guys because we've been doing some awesome stuff. It is the next day. I haven't vlogged too much last night. Had an amazing meeting with my marketing team that actually just moved out here. We're gonna be setting up a couple of offices and whatnot. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. That's for a separate kind of business little venture. But that's awesome. Right now I'm headed out. Some of you might be familiar with Olaf. He's been one of my top students. Crazy. Since last December when he started, his progression's just been ridiculous. Him and a couple of his buddies who also kill it with e-commerce, you know, well into multi-7 figures as well. They just randomly decided to drive out to Arizona last night from LA, and they wanted to check it out. They're like, yo, we're gonna come through. Is that a good idea? I'm like, sure, do it, you know, run it up. And so they're here. They just got a house in Airbnb. I'm gonna head there. It's like 20 minutes away, which is perfect. The cold starts on this thing, because I haven't driven today, I've just been working, are so loud in this big echoey garage. I love it. Woo! It never comes through the camera anywhere near as good, but wow. Look who's pulling in as I pull out. Take a look at this kid. Ah!
Got you food.
Hey, bud. All right, well, I was trying to head out, but Cody came up next to me and said, yo, you got something going on?
And massive plans in the works.
All right, we gotta make it quick because I gotta dip out. Did you bring me food?
Yeah, of course I did.
You're the best.
French toast?
Oh! And now finally, we're heading out. You go first.
Okay.
Ladies first, gentlemen.
There's a random easy, just chill.
Just two.
Garbage, get it out!
Oh, it landed it. Don't act like you didn't see that. Oh, is he gonna make it? Oh! Can't even lie, just flipped the water bottle and it landed like that. You're all witnesses, right?
Yes. I saw it. I don't know how that happened.
Look at that. That's a deep angle right there.
Game changer right there.
Absolutely ridiculous. Look at this. We got my M&Ms here as well. I'm Santa for the day. We're getting it in. We didn't even get this on video. I can't lie. I literally just landed it again at more of an angle. He's like, yeah, you can't do it again. First try.
Literally.
Look at you. Look at that.
Get it on.
Look at that. No, I'm stopping while I'm ahead. This is, I got good momentum for my day. I'm gonna finish my work. No.
Right, sure. That chest never stops growing.
It's chest, dude.
He looks like
Pull your shirt up like this.
a big baby who's about to go trick-or-treating.
Oh! Upper chest down, baby! Upper chest down.
And I have made it to my buddy's house because I've got a meeting with someone there for my final meeting and then back to LA. I still got my Santa hat. Hopefully cheer everyone up. All right, and I am headed out of here. As much as I love Arizona, all the businesses, all the partners, all the friends, all the houses here, Gotta get back to California. We got stuff to do in the office there. We got some meetings. Got a few other things, just, I don't know, existing. It's fun there. I like the beach. So I'm headed out here, packing up some stuff, trying to figure out which skateboard to bring. I already put mine in the trunk. I'm not bringing any of those. But yeah, just threw everything in. So waiting on 2 of my other buddies. We're gonna have 3 cars mobbing back. The M4, M6, and the Mustang. So it should be fun. Gonna do some stuff, not just down in Newport where I live, but also up in LA over the next week. And then more travels after that, let's just say, probably can't drive to where we're gonna go. So, give me a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna be mobbing back on the way there, and I guess I'll end this off once we get to Newport. So, let me see if I still know how to skateboard at all. You guys can check this out. I quit. Yeah, we're going on 10 West headed towards LA, just coming out of the Phoenix area. And there's someone, it's been pretty obvious, I maneuvered a little bit to test it, but he's been following us for about 20 minutes. Just a single, I think probably middle-aged, 30s, larger guy in like an old beat up, I think it's a white Honda Civic or something. Just driving crazily, cutting people off, like swerving into the carpool lane even though it's just him, and like trying to box me in.
Do you know this person?
Oh, absolutely not, no.
Okay, what kind of vehicle is he in?
Toyota Camry, license plate high, flying all around. Look, he's cutting me off right now. Watch.
Oh my god, Hayden.
Look at this. Yeah, oh yeah, I hit the brakes. I went from 90 to 70 immediately and he matched it, so. All right, so things just got a little bit interesting. Cody calls me and says, yo, I need you to come save me. And keep in mind, he's about 30 minutes back. Says he has 2 miles worth of gas. Oh yeah, sorry, a bra ended up on my head. Said he has 2 miles worth of gas and the nearest gas station is 6 miles. I'm like, bro, I'm not spending another hour and a half to go to gas station, get a thing, and no. So I had him call our buddies Preston and Olaf and Harry, who were in the M6, in between the both of us, which makes more logical sense. So we'll see what happens, but Cody, you're a dumbass. Look at this, oh, Preston's calling us right now. Let's see what he's got to say. Yo!
Yo, Cody ran out of gas. We're going back to save him.
Oh my god, he's an idiot, bro.
He ran out of gas. Yeah, he's not that far. We're getting off this next exit. We're going back.
Alright, yeah, you guys are good on cops too. I don't see any so far all this way. There you have it. They're going to save him. Cody, you owe them a beer. Definitely. You owe them.
Preston has their keys, and the other guys are stuck behind, and we're gonna go get them right now.
Oh my god. You idiot.